Hey guys, John with MiniMotors USA. Today we're going to be taking the lower stem assembly off a X. If you ever need to tighten up the headset or do any work on it, this is how you take the lower stem assembly off. All you need is a 4mm Allen and a 5mm Allen. First thing we're going to do is take these side screws out. That's going to be with a 5. Once that's out, we're going to drop down the stem. So unscrew this, pop it in, and take this screw all the way out. Make sure it's all the way popped in there. And remove it. Drop the bars down. We're going to have these 4mm grub screws under here. We're just going to loosen those up. You could take them all the way out if you want. Now this whole retaining rod is just going to slide to the side. Once that retaining pin pulls out, put it to the side. In here you just have 2 brass washers, which are kind of position the bars from side to side. So what happens here on the bars is this quick release, once it's screwed in here, it pops out into a channel to lock your bar setup. You should also be using these 2 screws to secure the bar down. And that's pretty much it to install it. It's kind of the same way. I'm just going to run this through the channel. Position your washers in, and you just got to kind of line it up and push it through with the bar. Pretty easy to get these things back in.